Hello, good evening. We have this recipe. Today we are going to prepare our biryani for beginners. It's easy recipe. Here are the ingredients which we are going to use. As you can see, tomato paste, there is ginger, garlic, onions. We have here our goat's meat. There is also 1 glass of basmati rice. Here there is jumbo, as you can see, clove. We have black pepper, which is powder, cinnamon. We have our mixed biryani spices. There are many mixed biryani spices. Here are Irish potato. Just easy recipe. Let's prepare our biryani. It's another way of cooking biryani. We are not going to mix our meat with the rice. The meat will be separate and rice also separate. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our dinner. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love you're showing your girl. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our biryani. Very simple for beginners. It's too hard. We are going to first boil. We are going to add in water and some onions plus ginger and garlic. As I told you, it's just it's a simple biryani recipe. So let's cook our meat. It's the goat's meat. The ingredients are there. As our meat is there cooking, we are going to add all the ingredients together. Then after, I will be showing you another process of cooking biryani, that is garlic and ginger paste. We have turmeric, we have paprika, black pepper, there is clove, all ingredients together. So this is an easy way of cooking your biryani as a bachelor, as a beginner. Let's prepare. Then our other ingredients, we will be adding them after. So stay tuned. Let's cook our meat. It's goat's meat, but as I see, it's too hard. That's why I've decided to add in water and boil it first. Let's cook our biryani in a simple way, but the results is wow. As we always say, there are many different ways of cooking this type of food, which we call biryani. Others first fry the meat, others boil. So for me, I've decided to boil it first Then I'll be adding other ingredients later. Stay tuned, let's cook our food. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Continue showing our channel love. We really appreciate. For the new viewers, let's prepare our biryani. Stay tuned as we are preparing our meal. As our meat is there cooking, let's fry our onions for biryani. We are frying some few onions here. So stay tuned. As you can see, our meat is here. It's cooking. Deve este. Our meat is also cooking. Our meat is here cooking. Irish are now ready, so we are going to cook our rice. As our meat is also here cooking well, so let's put our rice on fire. Let's add in some water to our rice. I've added salt. Those rice spices, there is cinnamon, cardamom, added in cumin. Now rice, so stay tuned and watch our video with some little cooking oil. As you can see, our meat is almost ready. We are going to add in other ingredients like tomato. We're going to add in tomato and basil, tomato paste. So our meat is ready, as you can see. It's now tender. Let's add in our tomato and green pepper. As you can see, our meat is ready. Now frying. So let's wait for the end result. And while our rice is also here, rice is also cooking well. We've added potato to our stew. Tomato, green pepper, and potato. So we are going to add in also some few basil. Then we'll be adding our. So this is our tomato paste. Let's cook our simple biryani. Very easy recipe. Stay tuned. As our food is almost let's add in some food color. That is what we call simple biryani. We have also our onions. We have some basil. So please as you can see, our food is now ready. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. For those who haven't subscribed to our channel, you are highly welcome. The channel is all about food. It's all about food. Please support us by viewing and subscribing. So let's serve. Let's serve our dinner. Come we enjoy together. Come we enjoy our simple biryani. Very easy to prepare. So come we enjoy together. This is how we are going to enjoy our dinner. Very easy recipe. We always bring you easy recipes. Our recipe. We have this recipe. There is beetroot. Here there is beetroot salads. We have here our simple biryani recipe. Here is biryani. Then we have here our goat stew. Let's serve. So this is our biryani stew. Let's serve. This is our dinner. Come we enjoy together. Come we enjoy, please. As I told you, it's just simple recipe for the beginners. This is how we do it. It's also another way of cooking biryani. So stay tuned and watch our videos until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. See you after grabbing our dinner. Bye-bye. Good.